There are numerous factors that go into a successful dental implant treatment. The first is where the implant's going to go, and also what needs to be done to get that implant successfully accepted by the jawbone. If there's infection that needs to be removed, if there's bone that needs to be rebuilt, or do we need to rebuild the gum tissue? Do we need to get the site healthy to receive the implant? These are all factors that kind of go into the preparation for successful dental treatment. Other factors can include if dental insurance is going to pay for part of the procedure. Also, the experience of the surgeon. We want to make sure that we have successful treatment the first time around, so that way there are no corrective treatments that need to be done that could lead to more and more costs for the patient down the road. In our office, we have our own lab that will make the teeth. That way we can bring the cost down for the patient. So all of this use of new technology is used to bring the cost down for the patient. The other big factor that affects the cost of dental treatment is the quality of bone that the patient has. Sometimes we need to do additional surgeries to rebuild the bone in order to get a successful placement of dental implants and a long-term success rate. These are all the different factors that contribute and affect dental implant cost. Here at our office, our treatment coordinators are here to help you get this dental implant treatment in your budget. We have different forms of payment plans. We have financing options available. I've been doing the all-on-4 procedure for about 18 years now, and during that time I've seen it evolve. The surgeries have gotten less and less invasive. The surgeries are more and more predictable. The art and science has improved dramatically in those past 18 years. We've seen a lot of changes in the all-on-4 process in the past 18 years. We strive to stay ahead with the latest technologies. With that in mind, we have our 3D facial scanning techniques, we have our digital design techniques, and we have our 3D printers so that we can accurately and predictably do our treatment in a shorter period of time than was even possible before. If you're looking for some help to get the implant treatment to fit in your budget, please give us a call. Let's see how we can get this in your budget so that way you can get the smile that you need.